Hi, my name is Christy, and I'm from Canoo. Today I will be demonstrating our new product, Canoo FindIT, which is an enterprise search and analysis suite. Do you remember when you first began using your computer? There were only a few files saved, and it was pretty easy to stay organized. Then, as time went by, your system began collecting more documents, emails, and other files, and it became more and more difficult to find and organize the information stored on your computer. Can you believe that from 2006 until today, there is 9 times more information available through digital resources? But that means you must spend valuable time searching. According to independent consultants, 18% of your workday is spent trying to locate information. That translates into about $20,000 per employee each year wasted Googling away. The solution is Canoo FindIT. Not only does this unique program find your information, but it also analyzes and organizes it into our enterprise server. With FindIT's unique algorithms, we're able to analyze word origins and meanings to reduce the unnecessary noise that often complicates a search. How? Through our extensive database of several languages. For example, Canoo.net is the largest German language database in the world. And with it, FindIT has access to virtually every possible form or combination of words, from the most obvious to even the most obscure. Let's look at this document as an example. FindIT analyzes your data in several ways. First, by eliminating non-essential language and focusing on meaningful nouns. Second, by identifying different words of similar origins. And third, by linking words of different origins but similar meaning. Finally, FindIT utilizes Wikipedia to recognize names and provide information about them. With these 4 filters, FindIT analyzes the most important text in your document, searches for similarities in our enterprise server, pre-calculates and provides the results for you. As a matter of fact, you are probably already familiar with how some of FindIT works. Leo.org has been utilizing our language tools since 2003 to improve their search results. For example, when looking up the word ging, not only does Leo deliver its translation and uses, but also links it with the additional forms of the word, like gayan. So, let's talk about how FindIT can work for you. In addition to the language tools and analysis components, there are 3 ways FindIT can be tailored to meet your company's needs. FindIT Similar, FindIT Names, and FindIT Topics. FindIT Similar links all documents with similar content in order of relevance, and because of our excellent filters, the results here are incredibly precise. But FindIT isn't just accurate, it's also efficient and easy to implement. Let's take your website for example. With the simple insertion of a JavaScript into your web page, FindIT can continually crawl, analyze, and pre-calculate your information. So the next time a user accesses your website, the JavaScript informs FindIT's server and links to similar documents, even from other websites, instantly appear on the page. To demonstrate, here is the actual website of the Swiss business magazine Bilanz. You can see how FindIT Similar immediately begins working to gather the pre-calculated data and then posts it directly on the open page. You can then access one of the similar documents with a single click. Here, we've accessed a page from a completely different site. Once again, FindIT Similar gets to work gathering data related to this new document. There is no limit to how much information can be accessed. Now that you've seen FindIT Similar, I'd like to show you how FindIT Names can work for you. First, FindIT Names is able to automatically discover names of people, companies, and geographic locations within a given document. Second, it analyzes and links multiple documents together based on these results. Then, it identifies all names within these documents that are connected with one another and displays them together in order of relevance to your original document. So, you've seen FindIT Similar and FindIT Names. Lastly, I'd like to demonstrate FindIT Topics. Over the years within organizations, thousands of documents, data, and other items of information are processed and stored, and sadly, often then forgotten. How do you keep track of this huge mass of data? It is best accomplished by assigning a category to each item. This is a daunting task in the course of day-to-day business, but not anymore with FindIT Topics. FindIT Topics runs fully automatically. It instantly analyzes all important nouns within a document. Then, with our high-performance Wikipedia miner, FindIT Topics assigns subject categories for each of these words. Then, most importantly, FindIT Topics creates a hierarchy of the categories most often seen, essentially summarizing the document's topic. Here are 5 separate documents with their category lists supplied. By simply recognizing these titles, FindIT Topics immediately links the most common category between them, Swiss insurance companies. What is the advantage to you? By giving you an additional way to search. Not only will you have the traditional search, which limits your results to only those documents containing the names shown in your search field, but also, with FindIT Topics, you'll have the ability to automatically browse by subject. So there you have it. Now you can have an innovative and efficient way to access your company's most important data. FindIT Similar, FindIT Names, and FindIT Topics. Give us a call to discuss how we can build the perfect package for you. And for more information about FindIT and all of our other products, go to www.canoo.com.